vector joining two points. In this module, you will learn about vector joining two points. Consider a vector PQ in space. Let the coordinates of the point P are x1, y1, z1 and coordinates of the point Q are x2, y2, z2. Let the position vector of point P with respect to the origin is vector OP and position vector of point Q with respect to the origin is vector OQ. Now, look at this triangle OPQ. Applying triangle law of vector addition, we get the sum of vectors OP and PQ as OQ. Transposing vector OP to the right-hand side, you get vector PQ is equal to vector OQ minus vector OP. Each vector in the space can be represented as a sum of vectors parallel to the three axes of rectangular coordinate system. Thus, vector OP is equal to x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap, and vector OQ is equal to x2 I cap plus y2 j cap plus z2 k cap. Next, substitute the component form of vectors for vectors OQ and OP in the equation. Vector PQ is equal to vector OQ minus vector OP. Thus you get vector PQ as x2 minus x1 whole into I cap plus y2 minus y1 whole into j cap plus z2 minus z1 whole into k cap. The vector x2 minus x1 whole into I cap plus y2 minus y1 whole into j cap plus z2 minus z1 whole into k cap can be seen as the diagonal of cuboid with dimensions x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 and z2 minus z1. Now, joining the opposite vertices of the rectangular base of the cuboid helps us to obtain these two right triangles. Applying Pythagoras theorem to the right triangle PRS, you get PR as square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. The hypotenuse of this triangle forms the base of triangle PQR. Applying Pythagoras theorem to this triangle, you get the magnitude of vector PQ as square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. In this module, you have learnt that the vector joining points P with coordinates x1, y1, z1 and Q with coordinates x2, y2, z2 is given by vector PQ is equal to x2 minus x1 whole into I cap plus y2 minus y1 whole into j cap plus z2 minus z1 whole into k cap. The magnitude of vector PQ is given by square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square.